Have you ever felt the uncertainty of choosing the right software? Imagine an option that not only delivers robust features, but also guarantees peace of mind. Today, we dive deep into Pismo, an AppSumo original that stands out with its comprehensive plan options, flexible licensing, and an ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. In the next 5 minutes, we will explore every facet of Pismo, from its user-friendly interface to fine details of its deal terms, ensuring you feel confident about this purchase decision. Pismo is built to address common concerns in the tech world. At its core, the product offers a choice that meets your needs, whether you are a seasoned tech enthusiast or a newcomer searching for a reliable software solution. The promise begins with a plan selection that allows you to pick what suits you best, backed by a dependable 60-day money-back guarantee from AppSumo. This security is a welcome relief in today's overwhelming market, where every dollar counts and every feature matters. The deal terms of Pismo bring a refreshing clarity to what you are purchasing. With lifetime access to the product and all future Pro Plan updates, you know that your investment continues to grow in value over time. Pismo's flexible approach means that if the plan name changes, the deal automatically maps to the new plan, ensuring you never miss out on any updates. Moreover, there is no need to worry about complicated code stacking. The straightforward instruction to activate your license within 60 days eliminates any ambiguity, allowing you to enjoy seamless access from day one. Now, let's address a potential concern: the flexibility of your license. Pismo offers the unique ability to upgrade between 2 license tiers while the deal remains available. In the spirit of user-centered design, you can even downgrade your license within 60 days if you discover that another option suits your needs better. Previous AppSumo customers have found relief in knowing they can upgrade their license to unlock increased feature limits, showcasing Pismo's adaptability as your needs change. But what about the additional assurances you look for in a tech solution? Pismo comes with customer support that not only handles your queries with efficiency, but also ensures lifetime updates. It's not just a purchase, it's a long-term partnership built on the foundation of the "We Got Your Back" guarantee. This level of support is rare and gives a tangible sense of security, making it an ideal choice for anyone wary of post-purchase regrets. Behind the scenes, Pismo emphasizes transparency through its detailed cookie settings, reflecting a commitment to user privacy and site functionality. Essential cookies are always enabled, ensuring core operations run smoothly whenever you log in, set your privacy, or fill out forms. In contrast, additional analytical and advertising cookies are disabled by default. This dual approach underscores not only the product's functional excellence, but also its respect for your personal data, aligning with modern standards of user privacy. In tandem with its impressive technical features, Pismo's pricing strategy is carefully designed to ensure that you receive outstanding value without hidden surprises. Every element of the plan has been meticulously crafted to strike a balance between functionality and affordability. The promise of lifetime access, combined with future updates and flexible license management, makes it a secure and adaptable investment in your productivity. As we conclude this comprehensive review, the allure of Pismo becomes undeniable. It overcomes common dilemmas by marrying robust feature sets with a straightforward, supportive user experience. Its balanced presentation addresses potential drawbacks head-on, offering clear, tailored solutions that empower you to make a well-informed decision. Pismo isn't just another software product. It's a thoughtful, long-term solution for those who demand reliability and flexibility. Now that you understand what sets Pismo apart, the decision is in your hands. Choose the plan that's right for you and activate your license within 60 days to enjoy all the benefits.